Hello everyone! Welcome to MyLingua Studio, our educational video made especially for everyone who wants to improve their English level in a fun and exciting way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Hi friends! Today we have an amazing challenge for you, the Ultimate Grocery Store Challenge. Can you name these 30 exotic foods? We're going to discover 30 super interesting exotic fruits from all over the world. You'll learn how to pronounce their names correctly, what they look like, where they grow, how they taste, and lots of cool facts. This will help you build your English vocabulary and make you curious about new foods. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's go shopping in the most colorful grocery store ever. Our first fruit is this beautiful pink one with green scales. This is called dragon fruit. Repeat after me. Dragon fruit. It looks like a dragon's egg. Dragon fruit grows on cactus plants in tropical countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Mexico. Inside, it has sweet white or pink flesh with tiny black seeds. It tastes a bit like kiwi and pear mixed together and is full of vitamin C. So refreshing. Next is the famous spiky durian. Say it with me. Durian. Whoa, that's one big spiky fruit. Durian is called the king of fruits and grows in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Some people love its creamy, sweet custard taste, but others can't stand the strong smell. Love it or hate it. Look at these funny, hairy red fruits. These are rambutan. Pronounce it rambutan. They look so cute and hairy. Rambutan grows in Indonesia and Malaysia. Inside the hairy skin is sweet, white, juicy flesh with one big seed. The name actually means hairy in Malay. This star-shaped fruit is star fruit, also known as carambola. Say it star fruit or carambola. It's literally shaped like a star. So cool. Star fruit grows in tropical regions like Sri Lanka, the Philippines, and Florida. It has a sweet, tart taste and is often used to decorate salads or drinks. These wrinkly purple or yellow fruits are passion fruit. Repeat after me. Passion fruit. They smell so tropical. Passion fruit is originally from South America, but now grows in many warm countries like Brazil and Australia. The juicy pulp is sweet and tart, perfect for juices and desserts. Wow, look at this giant green fruit. This is jackfruit. Say it, jackfruit. It's huge. Jackfruit is the largest fruit that grows on a tree and comes from South Asia and Southeast Asia. When it's ripe, it tastes sweet like banana and pineapple. People use it in many delicious dishes. This deep purple fruit is mangosteen. Pronounce it mangosteen.
So pretty.
Mangosteen grows in Southeast Asia. It's called the queen of fruits because of its sweet, juicy white flesh inside the thick purple shell. It's very popular in Thailand and Malaysia. Check out this orange spiky one. It's kiwano, also called horned melon. Say it, kiwano.
It looks like a little alien.
Kiwano grows in Africa and now in other warm places. Inside, it has bright green jelly-like flesh that tastes like cucumber and banana together. So refreshing. This bumpy green fruit is cherry moya. Repeat, cherry moya.
It looks so soft.
Cherry moya is native to South America, but grows in many tropical countries. People call it the custard apple because the creamy flesh tastes like banana, pineapple, and strawberry mixed. This unusual yellow fruit looks like fingers. It's called Buddha's hand. Say it with me, Buddha's hand.
That's so funny.
Buddha's hand grows in China and Southeast Asia. It has no pulp, just fragrant zest that people use for cooking and making tea. It smells amazing. These small red fruits with bumpy skin are lychee. Pronounce it lychee.
They look like little jewels.
Lychee grows in China and other warm Asian countries. Inside, there is sweet, juicy white flesh with one seed. It tastes like rose and grape together. These are longan, little cousins of lychee. Say it, long gone. So many of them. Long gone grows in Southeast Asia. The name means dragon eye in Chinese because of the black seed inside. They're sweet and juicy. Look at this scaly one. It's snake fruit or salak. Repeat, snake fruit or salak. It really looks like snake skin. Snake fruit grows in Indonesia and Malaysia. The crunchy flesh has a sweet and sour taste like pineapple and apple. This giant citrus fruit is pomelo. Say it, pomelo.
It's so big.
Pomelo is the biggest citrus fruit and grows in Southeast Asia. It tastes like a sweet, mild grapefruit, perfect for fresh eating. These green fruits are guava. Pronounce it, guava. They smell so sweet. Guava grows in tropical America and now all over the warm world. The pink or white flesh is sweet and full of tiny crunchy seeds. Great for juice. Look at these little lantern fruits. They're Cape gooseberry or physalis. Say it, Cape gooseberry.
Like tiny golden lanterns.
They grow in South America and now in many warm places. The sweet tart berry inside tastes like tomato and pineapple.
These bright red egg-shaped fruits are tamarillo. Repeat, ta-ma-rill-lo.
They look like little tomatoes. Tamarillo grows in South America and New Zealand. The juicy flesh is sweet and sour, perfect for salads or desserts. This green fruit is feijoa. Say it, fei-o-a. It smells like perfume. Feijoa is from South America but popular in New Zealand. Inside, it has sweet, jelly-like flesh that tastes like pineapple, guava, and mint.
These dark purple fruits growing right on the trunk are jabuti kaba. Pronounce it ja-bu-ti kaba.
That's so strange and cool. Jabuti kaba grows in Brazil. The sweet, juicy pulp tastes like grape with a little tang. This big, spiky green fruit is soursop or guanabana. Say it, soursop. It looks like a giant green pine cone. Soursop grows in tropical Americas. The creamy white flesh tastes like a mix of strawberry, pineapple, and banana. These tiny red berries are miracle fruit. Repeat, miracle fruit. Magic berries. Miracle fruit grows in West Africa. It makes sour foods taste sweet for a while, a real miracle for your tongue. These tiny orange fruits are kumquat. Say it, kumquat. So small and cute. Kumquat grows in China and Southeast Asia. You can eat the whole fruit, skin and all. It's sweet outside and sour inside. This yellow citrus is yuzu. Pronounce it, yuzu. It smells so fresh. Yuzu grows in East Asia, especially Japan. It has a wonderful, fragrant zest used in cooking and drinks. This wrinkly citrus is ugly fruit. Say it, ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is a hybrid from Jamaica. It tastes sweeter than grapefruit, with a hint of orange and tangerine. This bumpy fruit is atemoya. Repeat, a-te-moy-ya. It looks like a mix of fruits. Atemoya is a hybrid of cherry moya and sugar apple. It grows in tropical areas and has creamy, sweet flesh. This large brown fruit is kupuasu. Say it, ku-pu-a-su. It smells like chocolate. Cupuaçu grows in the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. The creamy pulp is used in desserts and has a chocolate vanilla taste. These bright red fruits are pitanga, or Suriname cherry. Pronounce it, pi-tong-ga. They look like little pumpkins. Pitanga grows in Brazil and tropical America. The juicy flesh is sweet and tart with a unique flavor. These orange fruits are loquat. Say it, loquat. They look so juicy. Loquat grows in China and warm Mediterranean areas. The sweet flesh tastes like a mix of peach and apricot. This long green fruit is babako. Repeat, ba-ba-ko. It looks like a star too. Babaco is a relative of papaya from Ecuador. It has sweet, juicy flesh with almost no seeds. Our last fruit is pepino melon. Say it, pepino melon. It looks like a striped melon. Pepino melon grows in the Andes Mountains of South America. The flesh is sweet and juicy like melon and cucumber together. Wow, we did it! You just learned the names of 30 exotic fruits in English. How many could you name? Write your score in the comments below. That was so much fun! Thank you for watching MyLingua Studio. Keep practicing your English every day. Learning can be delicious. Subscribe for more fun educational videos. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next challenge. Bye!